OneCNC has the ability to quickly place geometry into groups. Now this can be beneficial both for applying toolpath and just working with geometry. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to quickly hide the layer that contains the solid model, hit the spacebar twice to go to a top view. What we're going to do is we're going to place these 5 holes into a group. First things first though, we need to select them. You can use any selection technique you'd like. I'm just going to use the marquee tool and select all 5. Now to place these 5 holes into a group, we'll come up here to Edit and simply just select the option called Group. And that's it. Now anytime you select any one of the members of the group, the entire group will be selected. So if I hit the letter S on the keyboard and select that, and now notice how all the holes are selected. Now let's repeat the same process to the holes over on the right side. Again, I'll use the marquee tool, select those holes, come back over here to Edit, and then select Group. Very good. Now same thing applies. Anytime you select any member of the group, the entire group will be selected. Now if you want to ungroup geometry, just make sure you select the group first, go back into Edit, and then hit Ungroup. Now these 5 holes are now separate entities or separate shapes. To demonstrate that, let's deselect, hit the letter S to go back into select mode, and now you can see these are individual shapes. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tip of the day.